Tired of seeing that dreaded loading symbol? Let's banish it forever by mastering Wi-Fi connections on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone and find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on Settings to open it now. Look for an option called Network and Internet or something similar. Depending on your Android version, it's usually near the top of the list. Tap on it. You should see a Wi-Fi option. Notice the toggle switch next to it is probably turned off. Toggle the switch to the on position. Your phone will immediately start searching for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Give it a few seconds. Once the list populates, you'll see the names, or SSIDs, of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Tap on the network you want to connect to. Usually, this is your home or office Wi-Fi. A window will pop up asking for the Wi-Fi password. This is case sensitive, so make sure you type it incorrectly. If you're unsure, you can tap the Show Password checkbox to see what you're typing. After entering the password, tap the Connect button. Your phone will now attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see the word Connected under the network name, and a Wi-Fi signal icon will appear in your phone's status bar at the top of the screen. Congratulations! You're now connected to Wi-Fi and can enjoy seamless internet access on your Android phone. Stay tuned for more Android tips and tricks.